Sister Nancy, Lifestyle, Career, and Net Worth in 2025. Offlyn Russell, known as Sister Nancy or Muma Nancy, is a pioneering Jamaican dancehall DJ and singer whose iconic song Bam Bam has shaped reggae history. Born January 2, 1962, in Kingston, Jamaica, her groundbreaking career inspires fans worldwide. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for exclusive content on Sister Nancy and other reggae legends. Raised in a conservative, God-fearing family in St. Andrew, Kingston, as one of 15 siblings, Nancy rebelled against expectations to pursue Christian music, following her brother, reggae icon Brigadier Jerry. By her mid-teens, she was performing on sound systems like Jahlovemuzik and Stereophonic alongside General Echo, often as the only woman at dances. At 15, she performed in St. Thomas with DJ Junior Chalice, overcoming nerves to hone her stagecraft. Her bold choice to enter the male-dominated dancehall scene at 16 marked her as a trailblazer. In 1980, producer Winston Riley took her to the studio, resulting in her debut single, Papa Dean. Her 1982 album 1-2 featured hits like 1-2, Transport Connection, and Bam Bam, a reggae anthem sampled over 100 times by artists like Kanye West, Jay-Z, and Beyoncé. Nancy became the first female DJ to perform at Reggae Sunsplash and tour internationally, debuting in the UK with Brigadier Jerry in 1982. Her style, blending rhythmic toasting with empowered lyrics, influenced women like Lady Saw and Spice. Nancy moved to New Jersey in 1996, working as a bank accountant while performing occasionally, as music remained her first love. She retired from banking in 2016 to focus on music, spurred by the global reach of Bam Bam, featured in films like Belly, 1998, and campaigns by Reebok and Burberry. A 2014 lawsuit over unpaid royalties for Bam Bam was settled, ensuring her financial recognition. Her 2007 album Sister Nancy Meets Fireproof and 2021 EP Armageddon reaffirmed her relevance. In 2025, her 1-2 album is set for a vinyl reissue, and she continues to perform globally, including at Rebel Salute and Australia's Queen of the Dancehall series. Living in Paterson, New Jersey, Nancy's lifestyle balances humility and stardom. Married since the 1980s with children, she keeps her personal life private. Her net worth, estimated at $500,000 to $1 million in 2025, stems from music, performances, merchandise, and royalties. Her philanthropy includes donations to community causes, and her 2024 Tribeca-premiered documentary, Bam Bam, The Sister Nancy Story, highlights her resilience. Nancy's legacy as the first female dancehall DJ endures, inspiring generations with her fearless spirit and cultural pride. Her influence spans hip-hop, dancehall, and fashion, proving women belong at the forefront of reggae.